Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a honest video. It's because I bought this and this one with my own money out of my pocket. So these are the half-inch tri-axle nut socket set. So this one is from Anbull through Amazon.com, and this is the Pittsburgh from Harbor Feight. They're both deep socket. So let's open them and look at them, compare them, and then put them to work at the real job site. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's start from my right side, that be on your left. So to start with the case it is the one from Amazon, through Amazon. It's kind of flimsy. If you pick it up and drop it, it may destroy, but if you're being careful with it, it's okay. So this is what you see on Amazon. This is what exactly you get, and same thing over here. What you see, that's what you get. And the other side here, I don't told you where they come from. So the case on this, it is very stiff and it's strong. So I don't know if that's okay, because sometimes when thing it's like so crispy, you drop it, it will burst everywhere. And sometimes when it's flexy, and it will stay flex. Alright, here they are, open side by side, and my camera is always over there. I zoomed it in, it probably not so visible from there, but according to a review and compare, okay, on the Anbull, the number and the name or the logo, whatever, it's just print in. It's not like stamped in. So if you hit it or scratch it, it probably go away. It's just like that. And then same thing with Pittsburgh, it just print in. So same thing, if you damage it, the number will go away. So that's less on both. So the main reason about the Anbull is not because of the quality or anything, it's the function, it's what it does. So this one has come uses for me. I had it now maybe for 3 years now, and I really never used it. I always had to go rent tool from AutoZone or anywhere else, and it's just sitting there. But I work on stuff, and then to me, this one it is. But this one over here, that's the whole reason about this one. One, because this one start from 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38. The only one missing is the 37. That's what's missing on this one. Other than that, it is perfect. And come to this side over here, the Pittsburgh. Okay, it start. Oh my gosh, I can't. I need my glasses. Okay, 29, 30, 32. Where's 31? It's not here. 33. Where's 33? It's not here. 34, 35, 36, 37. Where's 37? It's not here. 38. It's right here. So this is what has come useless for me, because there's two things. There's not enough collection right here, and it's a 6-point. And this is 12-point, because most of the time you can use 12-point for 6-point. But this one, there is 3 pieces missing on this one. And this one, there's only 1 piece missing on this one. That be the 37. That's the one it's missing. But this one, the one it's missing, it be the 31 and the 33 is missing on this one. 31, 33, it's right here. But on both, 37 is missing, 37 is missing. So but this is still a plus. I would suggest you go with this one. Again, I am not sponsored by nobody. I pay my own money for this and this one. This one here, I charge you look it up. It does not say on the description where they made. Not on the part, not on the case, but on the box where it comes in. It says right here, made in China. It is made in China. I'm speaking English. Made in China. Okay. This one right here, I can't remember. I'm sure you know. It's Pittsburgh. It sounds like it's Pittsburgh from Pennsylvania. So that means it's made in USA. But I doubt it. So I think it's made from China as well. Forgive me if I am wrong. The warranty, you know, it replace anything. This one, also, I searched it up. It don't say any that warranty. But one thing I can tell you, it's guarantee get the job done. Again, Anbull not paying me right now. They didn't pay me. They didn't give me. I didn't give them a free tool or nothing. So warranty, but I guarantee get the job done. Over here, guarantee the job not gonna get done. Okay. The warranty. Warranty, not guarantee. Okay, warranty on this one, the Pittsburgh, there is no warranty. You know why? Because it wasn't working for me, so I went up there to try to get it replaced or exchanged to the 12 point or with something better. You know what they told me? They can't replace it with another one because they don't have the 12 point available in the store or in the history. So I told them, what about I get my money or I get other tool, you know, something. They say no, because there is no warranty. So I told them, it is a hand tool, but there is no warranty. I was like, what the heck? So Pittsburgh, you know why? It's a lot of money. It's a 12 point. No warranty. Because there is 3 pieces missing right here. This one, because there is only 1 piece missing. Because I pay less money than what it costs right now. Right now it is cost $80, but I pay $60 for this one. I will show you my proof I purchased in a minute. So so the only reason I will not give you this one 4-star, the only reason, because that 1 piece, the 37 is missing. That's the only one. No, not only two, only 2. And another one, for example, I've been used this one 3 times or 4 times already. Nothing much really. The only thing on this is the paint. It's like it will more you use it will come off. So most likely if you wash it off or clean off with some kind of heavy duty cleaner to clean stuff off, clean paint off, it probably become silver. That's the only narrow down. But other than that, this tool have not damaged anything. In my case, it's the function. Will it get the job done? Yes. Other than that, long it doesn't get rusty, I'm cool with this. This one right here, I had it for over 3 years, I think. I have not used it because either because lack of missing size or lack of 6 point then 12 point. So these are unused. I used this one time to beat it up one of my wheel bearing stuff. That's only this one become useful to beat thing up. Anything else? Oops, I almost forgot this. Ta-da! Let's zoom the video in and see. Use this or this one? Which one? Oh, let's do this one. It's much better. Not very visible, but Okay, let's do the thickness in the inside. Right here, it is little bit over 4 millimeter. It's a very tiny. In the inches, I don't know how that really to explain, but let's see. Let me try to show you how it look like over here. I hope you can see it right here. That's whoa, can't focus. Right there, not on the screen, no, over there, and the number on the left side right there. See that number 2 over there, and that's how it look like. I hope that helps you understand more and view more. So this little over 4 millimeter, according to the inches, I don't know the inches, but I try to show you in that screen over there. So in the Anbull, let's do it from here. It is a little bit under 4 millimeter. I can still see that line, but a little bit. Okay, that's explained a little bit. Let's just say they both at 4 because this one a little bit over, this one a little bit under. What about the height of the dip? This one is, it is I'm going by the inch right now. It is 3.3 inches, not millimeter. According to millimeter, it is 82 millimeter. And the Harbor Freight or the Pittsburgh, wow, this is a long one. This one, it is 3.5 inches. And the millimeter, it is 80.9, something like that. It's because it's a little bit under 90 millimeter. That's how it's over there. And again, let me show you. It is 90 and this is 3.5. It's not really there because when I took it out the socket, it backed up a little bit. So right there, 3 inches, 0.5, and over here it's a little bit under 90. That's what I mean at those numbers. So here is my proof I purchased. That way you know I'm not lying to you. So right there, it is through Amazon from Anbull, and that's what I pay for it. It is $60. As of right now, it is a lot of money. Right here, today I just did this picture today. It is $80. So that is $20 difference on the same product. But on the other side, on the Harbor Freight, last time I went to check it out, it was $72 without coupon. But if you got a coupon, it will maybe less than that. So one thing I can tell you that keep the 9 pieces. Don't waste your money on this because there is less option on this one. There is more option on this one. So what I really want to tell you is to keep both. Keep the not both. I mean, keep the 6 point and the 12 point at the 9 pieces. If it's 10 pieces, 11 pieces, 12 pieces, much better. But this is the option I can find because this tool, it runs through Anbull and then other store too, because I did compare and the look at the socket on the other name instead of Anbull. It's the same part, same product, except through different store. I hope that answers your question because I know there is a lot of fake review on the site, but on the YouTube I didn't really see any videos, so I decided to make this video for you guys. But I hope this video was helpful for you. But now let's go ahead and see how they really works.